Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a solo ad success formula, specifically how to write ad copy that converts. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the solo ad success formula. Writing ad copy that converts. Okay, you may have learned that all you need to do is take your link, give it to your solo ad provider, and they'll write the ad copy, which they can do, and I have done. But the most effective way to have a solo ad convert, as far as you getting a good number of opt-ins and leads, is to write your own ad copy every single time, because you're going to want to have your ad copy congruent with what your lead capture page says, because if your buyers are confused, they're not going to put their email address in. It has to be, everything lines up, that this makes sense, okay, I need to know more, this makes sense, all that flows together. So there is a formula for this that's pretty easy to do. It's 4 steps. The first one is you want to identify your target audience's pain. The second one is you want to grab their attention by making a bold promise. Third one is to tie your lead capture page headline as your hook. And then the last thing is to have a call to action. I'm going to give you an example here so you can understand how you want everything to be tied together, so it makes perfect sense that they would put in their email. Okay, so here's the lead capture page here. Discover how newbies are making $200 to $400 a day mailing out this top secret letter. I had given my lead capture page to a solo ad provider, and I asked them to give me their ad copy before it went out. And I actually thought she was spamming me in my inbox on Facebook, but here is what she came back with. Okay, so here's the headline: discover how newbies are making $200 to $400 per day mailing out this top secret letter. So then her ad copy was, the subject would be, this is a real deal. If you're looking for a legitimate way to earn cash, this is for you. My students started to make up to $10,000 within the first month. It's a simple 2-step program, and you'll begin receiving giant commissions. This is the real deal. You'll end up earning at least $200 daily in a maximum of 30 days. The amazingly good news is that the company is paying upfront for your advertising campaign. Isn't that great? Join now to catch this deal. We are 1000% here for you. Okay, so you can see how the numbers here don't, I mean, the $200 lines up with the $10,000, the 2-step program, it doesn't line up. But this is what I ended up writing. Okay, and again, it's newbies making $200 to $400 per day. So my headline is newbies making $200 to $400 a day with this top secret letter. Top secret letter. And then the body says, following this formula that I gave you, the 4-step formula, identifying with their pain, are you sick and tired of the constant overwhelm, spending more than you make, and putting your dream life on hold? And then you make a bold statement. If so, this is the most important email you'll ever read, and I'm about to share with you. And then you tie it into your lead capture page. How newbies who have never made a dime online are guaranteed success and are making $200 to $400 a day by sending out this secret letter. The company will give you back your money if you don't make money within 90 days. Click here for instant access now, and my name. So you can see how this really makes sense with this lead capture page, because again, if someone is confused, like this doesn't make sense, so they go to your ad copy here. So they're getting this in their email inbox, and then the instant access they'll click on is going to take them to this page. But if this right here, like this right here, doesn't match with your lead capture page, and they get here, they're not going to put their name and email in, because it seems like it doesn't flow together. They're confused, and a confused buyer, they will not put their email address in. You're going to have lower conversion rates. So this is a great ad copy here. It's converting very well for me. going to give you an example. This is a generic one. How to finally break through online. If you're sick and tired of being stuck, overwhelmed, and frustrated with trying to make money online, this is the most important email you'll ever read, and I'm about to share with you. And then you put your lead capture page headline there. Click right here for instant access now in your name. So that's a formula that's worked. I've actually paid a lot of money for this information. It came from a 7-figure income earner, and he built his whole entire business from solo ads. And that is one of his top recommendations, is that you write your own ad copy, and not, because you can see if someone else writes it for you, you may not know what they wrote, and you may wonder why you're not getting conversions, or your conversions are really low, like maybe you're only getting 20% opt-in where you could get 50 to 60% opt-in. So again, this is the formula. Identify your target audience's pain, grab their attention by making a bold promise, tie in your lead capture page as your headline, and your headline is your hook, and have a strong call to action. So I hope you guys found value from this. It truly makes a huge difference in the outcome that you will get. This is just one of the solo ad success formulas that I've learned. I have some other videos that I did as far as how to pick the right solo ad provider. I'm going to leave those videos that I did in the description below this video. You can check that out. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.